Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to schedule a blog post in Squarespace. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, I'm going to pages and selecting blog page, and I'm going to creating a new blog post and giving the post title here. And to schedule the post, click on done and click schedule and select schedule date, and also you can change the schedule time and then click on schedule. So this was how we can schedule blog post in Squarespace. If you think to see more Squarespace videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.